Okay, for this one, we're just talking bread and butter. So for me as an English teacher, the core thing that I have difficulty getting my students to complete is simply reading the text and annotating the text. So annotating is just a fancy way of saying writing their notes in the margin and looking for particular things within the story. So for every text I've ever taught since I started doing video-based education, it's probably 4 or 5 years, the students watch a video that is an annotation guide. It kind of gives them grounding on the themes of the story, the symbols involved in the story, and it gives them the kind of foreshadowing, pre-warned, front-loaded, whatever you want to call it, foreshadowed ideas that they will need to be engaging with and annotating within the text. So that's the standalone video, or it could be 3 or 4 depending on the level of the age group that I'm dealing with. Say Year 11 VCE class would get authorial style, theme, symbol, motif, a whole range of separate ones aimed at different levels of the kind of VCAR guidelines around English and VCE English. And then so once you've explained the concept, you've directly taught the knowledge that the students need to engage with. There's a whole bunch of worked examples. So for some books, I've done the entire book, the entire novel. So all of the chapters individually are annotated with sort of metacognitive thought being explained as I do them. But for most of them, I just do enough so that students get a bit of an idea of how it might look, and then they're left to do it on their own devices. So this is the core activity. It works just as well at home as it does at school. So I think it's a useful online or remote learning activity.